Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is that time again, time for a Dollar Tree haul. I know I've been doing these usually every 2 weeks for you guys, and also just because I just can't stay away. So I do try to limit myself to every 2 weeks because there are just so many great finds at the Dollar Tree, especially because I'm always watching other YouTubers and seeing what they find as well. Excited to find a few of the new things that they have out because Mother's Day is coming and spring is here. So let's get started and let me show you what we got this time. So I was looking for those freeze-dried strawberries that I think I've shown in some of my other Dollar Tree hauls. I'll show a picture here if I can find a picture of them. Pretty sure I've shown them to you guys before, but they were all out. They only had like the apple and the peach of that other brand. So, but I was able to find these. Now I ended up getting 4 of them. They're not as good. I think I like the other brand better, but these will work. And pretty nice size bag. There's 3/4 of a cup in each, and it says it's the 50 bonus size bag. And they're basically just freeze-dried strawberries, which make a great snack. But what I've been doing with them is because I have so much kombucha. Check out, I'll link here for you guys my Target hauls that I did where I got a bunch of kombucha for really inexpensive. If you do like kombucha, I don't know, they do offer a lot of deals at Target a lot. Anyways, moving on from that. But anyways, what I've been doing is I've been drinking kombucha with a lot of ice, and I throw in a few of these freeze-dried strawberries just for a little extra flavor. And it is so good. It's my favorite drink. I think it's going to probably be my drink of the summer once it starts to get really warm out. But basically that is what I've been using those for. So I picked up 4 bags. Like I said, we already opened one and got started on 1 bag. But that is what I've been using these for. And like I said, they also make a great snack too. They're only like I think like 30 calories for the whole bag. So we got those. My daughter picked these out. These are the Lemo Lunch cookies. Now I did hear some Dollar Trees were starting to offer like bonus packs of these like cracker packages, but we didn't have them yet. So we only picked up 2. So she wanted these, the Lemo Crunch, or Lemo Lunch, which is I guess sort of like it's a cookie with a lemon cream filling, yes. Not the greatest thing to have, but for a little treat once in a while. Anyways, we did look at the ingredients, and it seems like these are vegan. Correct me if I am wrong. I'm, not 100% sure, but we didn't see any eggs or milk or anything, that would stand out to us. So if you do follow a vegan diet, these are vegan. Like I said, they're not healthy, but, they are vegan. Anyways, and then I picked these up for my husband. He likes these, the ones with the cheddar cheese ones in the center. So got those for him. And then I picked up some brown paper bags. I like to keep these on hand. Sometimes, for kids' lunches, if they forget their lunchbox at school or whatever. And also my husband does popcorn in the microwave. He just throws like a 1/4 cup of the popcorn kernels in here, rolls the top of the bag up and throws it in the microwave, and you get a nice bag of popcorn. So that's what we use those for as well. And then I did stack up from when I did my boxed haul of the Ziploc bags, or their brand of like Ziploc bags, the freezer ones for when I do my freezer meals and things like that. But I needed some like more inexpensive ones for like the kids' lunches and my husband's lunches, and for on the go that are just really inexpensive, because most of the time I usually like to use containers, but sometimes in a pinch I need a baggie for something. So I get these. So I got the 50 of the sandwich ones, and then I got these with the fold top, if it's something that doesn't really need to be sealed. What is it? Oh, 150. Did I say that? It was 100 and then 150. So, for $1, I can't beat that. So I picked those up, and like I said, we don't use these a lot, so this will last us for quite a while, because I do try to conserve on not using a lot of wasteful products like this that are just going to get tossed away. Also, my daughter loves these. I know we've hauled these before. These Ripples fried dill pickle potato chips. So picked up 2 bags of these. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the baggies that we got, and I'm going to portion them out for her lunches. So that way, they're all pre-portioned. So like I said, I got 2 of those. I also picked up one of these True Lemon And basically what it is just crystallized lemon and lemon oil. And these are great to keep on hand. You know, you could throw them in your pocketbook if you just want a little lemon flavor in your water on the go, or, you know, just makes it a little easier. And I just figure with the warm weather and drinking a lot more, if hopefully it gets warm soon, with that I can just toss these into my water just for extra little flavor. And you get 12 packets, and actually, and it says you can also use it in tea as well. And then I picked up some batteries. I only got 2 because I usually like to get them stock up when they have the bonus packs, which I could not find. But I needed a few for something at the moment. So like I said, I just picked up 2 of those, and I know that's a usual thing that I always pick up whenever I go. We picked up some Q-tips. I got this big pack of 3, I think it says 350 in there. And then my daughter wanted this set here. It has Q-tips and like cotton swabs and cotton balls, and has the little container. They always have these at Dollar Tree, like different colors. So she wanted this so she could keep it on her vanity and keep hers all nice and, you know, nice and clean. And then I also needed a new pair of scissors. So I saw these. They had a whole bunch of different designs, I guess, for spring out. Hopefully these work well. Let me know, you know, comment down below if you have used them before. There's scissors there. I don't think I've ever bought scissors from Dollar Tree, so curious to see how well they work. And they're just so cute with the pink and the green. You guys know I love anything pink. And then we picked these up here, these stick-on nails, fashion nails. I think I might have hauled another set at one point in one of my hauls, a few of my hauls back. But anyways, and I'll link that here if I did. But we picked these up, and I have not yet tried the other ones, which was what I was trying to say. But we picked these up as well, and we're going to give these a try. Just, you know, just for fun. I am still waiting for my hands to heal. I may have mentioned it in a few of my videos. You know, I try not to show, I don't show my hands too often, sometimes in videos, until they are fully healed, because I do suffer from bad dry skin and eczema in the winter months. So it has still been very cold here, so I'm still trying to recover from that. So once they recover, we are going to try out these nails, and I'm looking forward to trying them. Let me know if you've used these, you know, if you've used these before. You know, even if they last a couple days, it's only $1, so, you know, it's like, what's the big deal? And let's see, then move down here, and I picked up, sorry for the glare, I have lighting up above my table here. But I picked up some more of these pictures. I was able to find some more. I know I hauled a bunch in my last video, because we were doing a lot of, you know, decorating, you know, changing things around in our house lately. So I've been just trying to find some simple little decor items just to add, you know, to, you know, different rooms. So I thought this one was adorable with the coffee cups or tea cups, whatever they, you know, whatever you want to call it. And it says Paris down below, and you know, if you've watched my videos for a while, we love all things Paris related. And I just thought this was so cute, so got that one. And then I picked up this one as well, and it looks like actually it says Paris on this one too, which I didn't even realize. I just liked the color of this. I may put this in my living room once we finish redecorating, because I do mostly grays and whites, and I just wanted like a hint of like this bluish color, and I thought this might look nice. Hopefully like I said, hopefully the glare is not too much, and you can pick up the detail on this, on the picture. It's really pretty. I'm not sure how I feel about the frame with the gold, but I might maybe try to paint over it or do something about that, because I usually prefer silver. And then I got this one, this one is just very simple, has the black frame, and it just has that like kind of bluish teal color, and just says dream big. And I just thought this was just very, you know, just like I said, just very simple, and put it on my entertainment center or something like that, or hang it on the wall, you know. And I just, you know, I just love that they have come out with a lot of these. The pictures are just so beautiful. I mean, you can even reframe them if you'd like. Or keep them in these frames. Like I said, I'm undecided about, you know, where I'm putting them yet, or if I'm going to reframe them or not, but I just thought they were so cute. And like I said, we're now building up quite a collection, so I gotta start doing some of my redecorating soon. So next, we also found, and I have seen a few people haul these, and these are facial scrubbers, and they're like silicone, and they have like different textures on them. So my daughter and I figured we would give these a try. Can't beat it, 2 for $1. So we'll each get one. Guess what color I'll be getting? The pink. And then also they had some new Bolero products. So we picked up the hand wash. They had coconut oil and sea salt. They also had another one which was honeysuckle, and I think it was honeysuckle and green tea, I believe. I did take photos, so I will insert the photos at the end like I always do of whatever, you know, extra things that I took pictures or video of. But we got one, so I got one of the coconut oil and sea salt. Mostly has a very a nice coconut smell to it. And then they also had the facial wipes. So we picked up actually 4 of them because I'm always afraid if I go back, they're not going to have any more. And when I did try these last time, when I got the rose blossom, I think the lavender ones we had gotten last time, and I really enjoyed them. They're really nice, and they're a very nice size, so sometimes I'll even just cut them in half and use just a half of them just to make them last. So like I said, so we got 4 of those. We're going to share those. And then I was able to find some more of the rose blossom. They were like in another aisle because the newer stuff was like towards the front of the store because they're trying to promote it for Mother's Day and for spring and everything. They already had like a big Mother's Day display. So those were in the front. You know, if you try to look for these in your store, I know different stores may display things differently. But these were in a different aisle, and so like I said, I was able to find some more of the rose ones, so before I cannot find them anymore, I don't know if they're going to bring them back or not. I picked up 4 more of those as well, so now we will have quite a bit of these facial wipes. And last few things, we got 2 of these tassel keychains, and my daughter picked out this silver one, and I of course picked out the pink one, surprise surprise, which I don't know if it's picking up or not, but the tops are like a rose gold color. I know there's a little bit of a glare, but they're so cute. Thought these would just be cute. She's gonna hang hers like on her backpack, and I don't know where I'm gonna put mine, either on my keychain or on my pocketbook or something, but you know, for $1, they're just so cute, add a little fun touch. And then we were so excited, last but not least, but we were so excited to find these macarons. I never know how to say to pronounce it correctly. But anyways, we found these. They did have all the colors. They have a blue. I did take a photo, a few photos of them. They have the teal color, I guess, which is what she picked out, my daughter. I got the pink, of course, and then they also had a blue, light blue, and purple as well. I'm thinking maybe I should have just gotten them all. I don't know, but they are just so cute. So I just want it. So this is what they look like on the outside. They are a nice size. And then that is what they look like on the inside. And they're just so cute. So that was everything for this Dollar Tree haul. I was so excited to find some new items. Like I said, definitely go check them out soon if you are looking for some of these newer items. I'm sure they are going to go fast. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Don't forget to hit that bell button so you know when I have uploaded a video. Let me know what new things you have found at Dollar Tree. I love hearing from you guys. And until next time, I will see you soon. Bye.